Alrighty guys, here we go. We got a brand new GMC in here. We're gonna be drilling some holes on this brand new $105,000 truck. Yeah, I said it. We're gonna be drilling holes on this thing. Just to add some cab lights. OEM style cab lights, that is. Original GM parts, along with the wiring harness. For those of you concerned if it's gonna leak, guess what? These come with this foam pad that prevents it from leaking. Not only that, but to be on the safe side for me, I also add some silicone on the inside of this part here, just to give it that extra safety leakage problem. Here we go. I've done about 30 of these and I haven't had any issues yet, luckily. Let's go.